Stripe Payment Processing Review. Is it worth it? Let's find out. So what makes Stripe stand out is it is developer first and highly customizable. It also is transparent as and has some flat pricing with a standard rate of up to 2.9% plus $0.30 per online transactions, and there's no monthly or setup fees. They also have a wide global range of reach and multi-currency support, which operates in 40 plus countries. They also have rich features like robust tools for subscriptions, and they have some security and compliance, and it's ideal for scale. However, you need to watch out for some features like the transactions fees can add up for high volume and high volume invoices. They also have international fee layers, so they may charge for foreign cards and currency conversions. They also have account stability issues where some people have reported them as well. And they have the customer support, which can be laggy, and the developer dependency and micropayment and suitability. However, it comes with some positive feedback. So it has never suspended any of the client's account. Apparently, to this one person right here, they offer the best merchant service they've used. However, is it worth it? Well, yes. If you're a developer-led business needing custom global payment flows, subscription or marketplace support, scalability without switching providers, then it is very worth it.